Okay, so for the next topic, we will be creating an intersection and then also this parking bay here. Okay, so first I will just hide my corridor points. Okay, here, point style and the label style. So now, so I will, if you will left click on the corridor, you will have this triangle grip. You can left click on this one and then you will drag it here. Okay, so we will have the space here. Okay, if you go here, home tab, create design panel, go to intersection, and then left click on create intersection. And then as you can see here in the command line, it's asking us to select the intersection point. So select this intersection point. And then here for the name, we will just place this one, road F25 and road F26. Okay, and then here, okay, so we can set the profile here. And then for the offset parameter, so this is the, if you'll check this one, this is the lane, okay, the lane width. So if you remember in our sub-assembly, it is 3.6, okay? Or we can set it to 3 meter for now. And then we can change it also in our sub-assembly for the lane. And then let's say, okay, if you will go here, okay, you will find the preview at the bottom. Okay, so you will know which side you are editing. Okay, let's say okay now. Then curve return parameters. So this one will point also which side. So here the curve is 6 meter. So if you'll check it, it's 6 meters. Then here 6 meters also. And then okay, then select OK. And then here for the corridor regions. So here in the corridor regions, if you will uncheck this option, it will just create an intersection marker, but it will not create a corridor. Okay, so later on you will find that intersection marker. So for now, we have an existing corridor. So I will choose this option, add to an existing corridor on road F25. Then from here, these are the regions. You'll go here, okay, curve return fillet. Then this is that part. So this is the assembly to apply. Okay, as you can see here, these are the assembly. And these are the regions. Okay, so I will show you that one later on also. So once everything is set here, you can go here, create intersection. Okay, can close this one. Then you will have this one now. Okay, if you left click on this one now, go to object viewer, then we will have this one now. Okay, so if you will see here, so this is called the daylight. Okay, so we are not the one who created this one. We have accept all the defaults on that assembly. Okay, so if you go here, I'll drag this one up to this point. Okay, then you can have also the option here to just drag it up to this point. Let's say here, and then this one also up to this part. Okay, so where can you find those assembly that Civil 3D created? Okay, you can find it here at the top right extent of your drawing. Okay, here. We can move this one, M, and place it here. So these are those assembly that we have checked earlier on that preview. This one. Okay, so this is called the daylight. Okay, cut slope layout. This is that side. Okay, so if you select this corridor, okay, again, object viewer, go here now. Okay, and then this is that one now. Then let's say here for the parking, right? We still have the parking. So we can achieve that one here. But first, I want to select this alignment. Okay, so as you can see here, you have this white color. These are the alignment. Okay, these are the target alignment that Civil 3D created. When you set the horizontal offset, this is that one, the 3 meter. So it is used here to target. Okay, so if you'll proceed to the advanced part, we will focus there on the modeling. Okay, so we can place it here and this one. Okay, and we have another alignment here. Just okay. Then this one, I'll just rebuild it. Okay, and then for this one now, okay, I'll just place it somewhere here. Okay, I'll select this full corridor, and then this is the secondary road. Okay, if you go here, baseline, that one is road F26, this one. Okay, then we have here that region. Okay, this is that region that highlighted blue. So from here, we have here we can achieve the modeling of the parking bay by going to the target. And then we will start on the left hand side. Okay, then I have set already the target to be a polyline, and then I'll select it from the drawing. Okay, then here, if I'll go here, so we have this red color. So this is that polyline that I have set. So if you'll check it here, our starting station on road F26 is starting from this point. Okay, increasing, going to north. So this is my right hand side. Okay, so I'll select this one, polyline, select enter. So this is that polyline now, select OK. So on my left hand side, again, polyline, select from drawing. Then I'll select also this, okay, the red polyline here. Select OK, select OK, apply, rebuild. And then select OK now. So you can see now, we have now that target. If we'll go back now to object viewer, okay, we will have this parking bay now. Okay, we have this one. So also here, we have that parking bay, so we can set the target on all the sides. So we can set it. Then also, once you have already your corridor, you can create a corridor surface. Again, you can check the parts of your corridor on the help of the sub-assembly. Okay, so here, this is how you can create a corridor surface. Select this one, corridor surface. And then here, what type of data you will create your corridor surface. So I will select links, and then here for the code, okay, I'll specify top. So for the top, it will be composed of the wearing course, okay, or the pave one, okay. And I'll add as break line, and then here top links, and then apply, rebuild, and then okay. Okay. So here, if you'll go to object viewer, so this is that surface. Okay. Again, select this one, and then object viewer. Yeah, that's good now. Okay. So you can see here we have an unwanted surface. So from this part here, it interpolated going to the other side. So what we can do here, select the corridor, and then go here to corridor properties, go here to the boundary tab, right click here, then corridor extent as outer boundary, and then select apply, rebuild, and then okay. Okay, so now this is that surface now. It is contained on the corridor boundary. And then once we have that corridor boundary, okay, let's say we have a duct here. Okay, then let's say we have here manhole. Okay, we have gullies here. Let's say we need to verify the top levels, right? Directly. So instead of going to the profile, we have already also generated the every 1 meter levels, right? So we have another option. Same option here. So no need to compute it. Automatically you can go here. You will have the coordinates and level. So just select here the surface, corridor surface. So instead of computing it one by one, you can just go directly to this one. This is the duct. If you are designing, you are creating the profile for the duct, then you can just use directly here. Okay, so you can try this one at your